Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's a night black. Under the hood is a 4-cylinder, 2-liter turbo, pushing out 208 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels, we've got 18-inch alloy wheels. Tires are in good condition. A black MB Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLA 250 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season floor mats and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in here, this one does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. We've got our steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. A rear view backup camera. Our radio, heated seats, dual climate controls, cup holders. This GLA has 31,751 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA, check out feldmanimports.com.